Quite apart from stewardship as a possible basis for environmental ethics, there are other alternatives too, other ways of thinking about the relationship between humans and the non-human world. Some of these are based more on scientific understanding, others more on religious texts, and some are a sort of cross between the two. For example, you may have come across James Lovelock's Skaia Hypothesis, which sees the Earth as a kind of superorganism which provides a hospitable habitat and home for humans and for other creatures, but which can also react and change in certain ways. This is a scientific theory, but has also proven attractive to those who seek a holistic spirituality. There are other alternative proposals too, some coming from those who've worked in the areas of theology and biblical studies, or different Christian traditions. One of the things that unites quite a few of these proposals is that they consciously choose something different to the stewardship idea, where humans are a bit like managers who take care of the earth. For example, the Earth Bible Project, begun in Australia, proposes the principle of mutual custodianship. In other words, both Earth and humans care for and support one another mutually. Some theologians from the Orthodox Church, such as John Zizioulas, offer the idea of humans as priests of creation, mediating between creation and God. Biblical scholar Richard Bauckham stresses the idea of what he calls the community of creation. He doesn't reject the idea of humans as stewards of the environment, but insists that it must be balanced with the view that we are also fully part of a community of creatures, all dependent on God. These various ideas, and others too, indicate some of the varied ways in which different groups and individuals think about humanity's relationship to the earth and our responsibility as humans. Stewardship is one of these ideas, but not the only one. Do you find any of these alternatives more attractive than the idea of stewardship? And if so, why?